What's up, YouTube? Back in my pig hole. Haven't been out here in about a year. Seen in my memories on Facebook. Yesterday is exactly a year that I've killed a pig out here. The last pig I killed was about a 185-pound bar hog. Killed him with a Gauntlet 2 30 cal. Today we're doing it different. There is a storm moving in, a cold front, just like last time. It's textbook. I don't have him patterned. He's coming up between midnight and 3 a.m. Either way, we're going to put a hurting on some raccoons because they're eating my corn and I'm tired of it. Hate to shoot something for nothing, but we're going to get some hides off of them for my stepson, so they're not going to go to waste. But we're going to try to get a perfect headshot with this Kalibrgun Snipe 2 22 cal. Tristan, I hope you're watching. Hope this turns out good. Hope we can get a pig headshot on film. We're running the one leaf eagle with the short lens. So I'm only shooting about 40 yards, so wish me luck, guys. We're using Rich Briscoe's. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it to focus. You already know, Rich Briscoe bars. Using a long 41 grain flat nose knurled slug to get all the penetration we need. So stay tuned. Eat my corn again. Turns out that corn causes lead poison. Could do this all night.